Open A hints. When fretting the open A chord, it can be quite challenging to fit all fingers into the shape. So start by placing your ring finger as close to the fret as possible, then add your middle finger on top but slightly to the middle of the fret, and then add the index finger further to the back of the fret. With some practice, you'll be able to fit all fingers in there. It's important to use your fingertips and let your hand come out a bit like this to not mute the surrounding strings. Beginners often accidentally mute the thinnest string with either the ring finger or the palm of the hand. Also, make sure that your index finger doesn't mute the fifth string right here. So, remember to use your fingertips to fret and adjust your hand to get a better grip. Now, grab the chord and pick all strings one by one, starting with the fifth string. If any string is muted, try to adjust your hand and fingers until all strings ring out with a clear sound.